Welcome to my channel and let's go deep into the world of Mehendi. Henna, which is also called Mehendi in Hindi and Chinal in Hebrew, is taken from the henna plant and it's called Lawsonia enormis. Have you guys ever wondered from where did first henna originate? It's Egypt. They believe that the henna can bring dead back to life. The mummy of Ramses II had hennaed fingertips and toes. Egyptian dynasties used henna for coloring the hair red. In Eastern Mediterranean, they found out dead remains of bodies having mehendi in it dating back to Bronze Age. Not only Muslims, Sikhs, Jews, Zoroastrians also died using henna. Prophet Muhammad had his beard dyed using henna. Dyeing the fingernails using mehendi can discriminate between females and males, says the Quran. Studies reveal the use of mehendi during the early Vedic books. Mehendi plays a major role in the Indian weddings and other countries' weddings. Let's check that out. Arabic henna originated in Arabia and is still a part of the custom. Arabic women used to dye their hands with beautiful Arabic mehendi design still in the country. In Afghanistan, they believe that henna brings good luck and happiness to the newly wedded bride and groom. In Bangladesh, mehendi plays a major part during the wedding and they have an evening of mehendi called Mehendi Shonda. People of Iran considered mehendi as a magical and protective plant which can bring dead back to life. In Algeria, they used to paint the hands of bride and groom before wedding with mehendi. But unfortunately, mehendi is very vulnerable to the people with G6PD deficiency. But it has many good functions. It used to relieve edema from the body, and also it has other functions like relieving chronic headache, and it helps people suffering from headache a lot. It also improves the body, improves nails and protects skin. I hope you like my video, and if you are interested, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel.